Just made it to Canyonlands and the visitor center. Let's go see this overlook here. The views are just gorgeous. Look at the size of those Great Danes. There's something in the air. So when the visibility is clear, you can see 152 miles. Those are the LaSalle Mountains. They said within 24 hours, things can constantly change. I don't know. Are they saying that that's 152 miles away? Holy moly. Wow. Just wow. Oh my God. Wow. How beautiful. Looks like they're building a road over there. Just wow. Down goes Fraser. Oh my God. Holy moly. Look at that. Gorgeous. Wow. Just wow. Manny, don't go over for the lizard. I'm about 15 feet from that ledge, and it is way down. I just overheard someone say about 700 feet. Wow. Holy moly. Truck going up there, Jeep coming down here. There is...
No, I don't want you to go over there.
Class B parked here. Class B up there. Different viewpoint of that same area. Way over there is where those Class Bs were. This road is where that Jeep was. Just a different view. I think that's actually the same Jeep. Frickin' amazing. Next stop in Canyonlands, Mesa Arch. Let me catch up to these two. Almost there. This one's about a half a mile. Not strenuous at all. These two. Slipping, sliding. Now we got an untied shoe. There it is. There's the Mesa Arch. All right, one more view of the arch, and then we're going to go over there and look over the edge.
Wow. Here, stay there for a second.
Just wow.
Good. I'm sure you guys have already got pictures. God, please just don't go over there. Oh.
It's amazing. Wow. Just amazing. Gorgeous. Just utterly gorgeous. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Some more beauty in the opposite direction. Hey, fella. He's just staring here. Guess waiting for someone to drop some food. All right, well, we made our way to Dead Horse Point state park, Utah State Park. It's just outside Canyonlands. The Colorado River, over 10 to 15 million years, carved this out. And then people were able to figure out ways to dam the river to make reservoirs for civilization. Let's go take a look. Holy moly. Oh my. It's just crazy. Sites just get better and better, different and different. So that is the Colorado River. Millions of years it took to carve this out. See some vehicles on the dirt roads down there. Wow. Just amazing. I can see for miles and miles. I can see for miles and miles. Way down there. Yeah, you may be able to read this if you pause it. But several films were filmed in the area. Thelma Louise, Fort Apache, Mission Impossible, Westworld. Fossil Point that sits just below Dead Horse Point State Park is featured in the ending scene of Thelma and Louise. Solar evaporation ponds.
Does it look like you can take a car right to the edge? Is that a
Yeah,
road?
yeah. You see the cars on it.
Yeah. Crazy.
There's people on bikes or something down there too. Right down in there. Pause this and read it. It's pretty interesting. The Spoke on Center for lunch, downtown Moab. Got a view of some snow-capped mountains. A lot of off-roading. What a view. Look at the size of that bowl of mac and cheese. Darn, I just went with a burger. But they do have malt vinegar. Oh yeah. Fries with malt vinegar. Mm. In the burger. Mm.
How is that?
Good. Look at that, a public payphone. It doesn't work, but nicely enough, any money that goes in goes to the needy. I've been left behind again. They went into the trading post.
Why are they up there?
I don't know. Downtown Moab. There's some sort of Jeep event going on this for like 10 days. So our hotel is filled with them. Another cool looking building. Sony Arches Electronics. And let's repair electronics there. I guess maybe sell some used ones maybe. I think they're in this ice cream shop. Or at least I'm hoping they are, so then I can get something. So what did you think about Spokes on Center?
I loved it. I thought my burger was yummy.
The choice is,
I got Play-Doh. Lemon sorbet.
and I went milkshake.
It's like their story of how.
And it came with a big straw to get all my little almond bits up. Proper British fish and chips. Jailhouse Cafe. The Moab Food Truck Park. Yeah, just a bunch of food trucks in there. Pretty cool. Variety of places to eat. Good for families that can't make a decision on burgers or pizza. You can each get your own thing. The milkshake is refreshing. It's about 78 degrees, but it feels hot. Guess that's the desert. I don't know.